from reclamation back into service. We're going to restore a vintage lamppost here on Chiltern Views. Photo cell installed. It's not glass, it is a plastic. So let's take a look inside anyway. A little gas strut in there, which helps you raise the lid so it stays in position, which is quite nice. Windsor Authority. Interesting, I don't know whether it means it came from Windsor or what, but I will have a look at that a bit later on, give you a bit of history on it. The bulb is accessible obviously by unscrewing this little piece here.